Many ways to fold origami flowers, and today I'm going to teach you one of those. My name is Robert Segundo, and today I'm going to teach you how to fold the water lily. So if we look down here, you can see I've already started off. This is my water bomb base. And what I'm going to do is, everything's already pre-creased, so we're going to run through this rather quickly. I'm going to open up the leg on the water bomb, and this is called a squish fold, and what you'll basically be doing is just pressing it down in the center and folding it. Do the same thing over here as well. Like I said, everything's pre-creased, so this is going to run rather quickly. Open this one up, pre-crease it as well, and there we go. Now that we have this kite shape, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of reverse the kite shape by petal folding everything. So what we're going to do is take the leg, fold it up like so, and up on this one like so. Then what we're going to do is we're going to pull the point all the way to this point here, and then kind of squish fold all the rest of this like this until we have the reverse kite shape. So let's do this over here as well. Everything's pre-folded, so it'll just fall into place for me. There we go. And do the last one. There we go. Now we have our reverse kite shape. Let's just take it and turn it into a diamond shape by just folding our flaps down like so. There we go. Now we have our opened end, and this is our closed end. So what we're going to do is over here on the flat side, without the split in it, we're just going to take and fold our corners in, and then after we fold them in, we're going to fold the petal down, and it'll fold down it'll stop by itself because it's not going to fold down past these triangle pieces here. Do this on the opposite side. Fold it over, fold down. Do it on all four sides. Fold it over, and fold it down. And then what you're going to do is hold the bottom of it and just open your petals up. Or in my case, I'll just release them. And it'll form the flower. Oh, a little rip in my paper there. There you have it, your origami flower. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.